Right, so just a quick video about the new book I've written. Pheasant traps. This is on Amazon. I think I'll put it on for £5. So you know what I mean, it's not much more than a glossy magazine nowadays. So yeah, about £5 UK, pounds on Amazon. It's on worldwide everywhere. Prices vary, different countries, I think it's about $6 on Amazon US, whatever. And this one is 75 pages long. So it's probably one of the biggest ones I've done so far. Now I've put pretty much every pheasant trap that I could think of and ones I've kind of tried and had a go at in the book. So on the back it basically tells you what is in it. If you can see that, you can always pause it and have a look. And I've done it with pictures and diagrams in this one. I'll give you a little flick through it. So see pictures, drawn pictures, photographs, so you kind of get different ideas. So an actual photograph of a funnel trap and a diagram. So with both photographs and diagrams, you can probably work it out better. I'm quite proud of this one. This one's come out decent. Like I always say, the photos are in black and white. They probably would have looked better in colour, but if I'd have done this book in colour, it probably would have been about £12 to print it or something. And then you got to put a little bit on top to make something. And then you're talking about a book which is £15 or something. And what's the point in putting a book like that up when you can put it on for a £5 and I can still make a bit of profit out of that as well. So all sorts of different pheasant traps which I've tried, made, researched, So yeah, thought I'd show you that. £5 on Amazon. If you're interested, have a look. I'll put a link and all that. But to be honest, if you just put that in or my actual name in, you'll be able to find them anyway. Right, anyway, cheers for watching. I'll see you later.